This time I'm building terminology, the automatic level. An automatic level, which is also called a self-leveling level or a builder's auto level, has a built-in internal compensator mechanism, which is just a basic swinging prism that when set close to level automatically removes any remaining variation. So as long as you get the bubble in the bullseye, it will make any other adjustments to read exactly level, and every time you move it, it will compensate for any discrepancy. As long as it's close, then it will automatically compensate for any other variation. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.